Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see if someone screenshot your Instagram story. First of all, you can open the Instagram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply see the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. The Instagram doesn't provide any feature to know if someone screenshot your Instagram story. You can just simply send a message to the other persons by set a limit at once and other person is taking screenshot of your photo or video. The Instagram is notified to you that the other person is taking screenshot of your photo or video, and there is no any method to see if someone screenshot your Instagram story. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.